they don't have a lot of working experience if it's the first time they're applying for jobs. Sometimes we have voluntary experience that we don't think about, or if we've been involved in sports, something along those lines. Typically when you do sports, you're volunteering at a concession stand, or you are volunteering to be the ref for a certain period of time. Those are all things that you can put on your resume. You can also put on there that you're adaptable and moldable and willing to learn, and you're going to put all of the skills that you learned maybe in high school. Typically in high school we have computer classes, so you can put skills that you had in that computer class. Sometimes high schools do programs that allow you to shadow other people. You would put that type of program on your resume, and just kind of stay updated with everything that's going on around you. And again, we also offer programs to help youth out. So I believe it's 16 with parent permission, 18 to 24. I think you should apply for any job that piques your interest. If you don't have the skills, the great thing about that is that you are capable of learning those skills, and we can help you with learning those skills. I perform workshops often, and they typically are very conform to resume, interview, soft skills, but that doesn't mean that I don't have a whole branch of other resume or other workshops that we can do. And that would be, hey, we can talk about how to learn computer skills. So I think that you should always apply for jobs if they're within the realm of your skill set. So if you don't have a few of those skills, that just means that we're capable of learning those skills. Again, be honest about not knowing those skills, but we don't need to highlight that. So on your resume, if you don't have computer skills, you wouldn't necessarily put that you have computer skills on there. And so I would just suggest seeking the education to learn those skills if you need to. And again, we can help you with that. I can help you specifically with the computer skills class. We would call it digital literacy. And then thereon, you could put that on your resume that you did have that skill if you attended that class. But I would always say the biggest thing that's going to land you the job is confidence. So if you don't have a skill, saying that I am willing to learn and I'm adaptable to learning those skills, companies actually like that because that means they are able to mold you to their company. That means they're going to be one of the first to figure out what skill you don't know, and then be able to teach you that skill in the way that they would prefer.